Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This is Ben with Joe's Gaming Electronics. Today I will be showing you guys how to replace a screen on a Series 7 41mm GPS version. All the tools you see here will be in the description down below. There will be a link to our store where you can buy all these tools. All the tools you will need will be some of the Joe's glue. You will need a brand new screen. This is a grade B screen, so it's not a grade A. Grade A is pretty much brand new screen. We will just be using a grade B. You'll need some alcohol, you will need a clamp, you will need a spudger, and you will need a pry tool. I also just grabbed some of this tissue just in case we get a little too much glue on the screen, and you will need a heat gun or some sort of heat that will be going around the screen so the adhesive can loosen up. So let's get started with the repair. So first off, we would want to start off by using the heat gun. You want to set the heat to 190 degrees or 180. Without any of one of those works, and the pressure will be at 70. So let's get started by going around the screen just like this. Let's just take it off the charger. Just slowly go around the screen just like this. Once you feel that it is pretty hot, you can really tell by putting your hand on the screen. You're gonna get your pry tool. You're gonna apply a little bit of alcohol to it. And then we're going to go straight down just like this and go to a side to side motion. Alright, once you have one side to side, now we can start prying the screen up. Be very gentle because you can damage the screen on these units. If you don't feel comfortable doing this repair yourself, you can always send it to us via service. And all of that will be down in this description below. Just slowly pry it up, constant pressure. You can kind of hear the screen going up. I'm not sure if you guys can hear it on the camera, but I can hear it. You could also feel it. Keep going all around super slowly. There we go. Looks like the screen is up. Now we're just gonna kind of get it up just like that and flip it to this side. I always start prying from the crown side and then work myself around. So there we go. We have taken the screen off. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab it like this. I usually put this finger down below right here. I'm not sure if you guys could see that, but my finger is right here, this one. And then I slowly pry this tape up. Be very careful because this is connected to your motherboard, which powers the screen. Then you're just gonna work yourself around just like this, slowly. Once you have reached the actual connection point, this is where your spudger comes into hand. You're going to pry the connection points up the connector. Next, you're going to grab this tape. Then you're going to pull it this way, so backwards. Make sure it's straight. Boom, just like that. Now you have your screen off. The screen works perfectly fine. We're just using this as a demo unit. Next, you're gonna grab your screen, your new screen. As you can see, here's the screen. You're gonna grab your spudger. As you can see, that's the connection points. You're gonna put it up just like this. Boom. What I usually do is I get this tape kind of off so I can see the where it's supposed to connect. Right. Next, we're gonna get to connecting these ribbons to the connection points. So let's get to it. First, I usually start off with the very right one, which is this one right here. You're just gonna slide it in just like that and put the connection down just like that, and then start off with this one. There you go. Just check that the screen turns on. So as you can see, guys, the screen turns on. Now we're gonna grab our Joe's glue, and then we're gonna go all around this outside right here. Alright, once you have applied the Joe's glue around the screen or on the housing, then you can proceed on putting the screen down just like this and just kind of holding it down just to make sure it kind of sits in good. Make sure everything is in place how it should be. Looks like it's good. Then we're just gonna, this is where the tissue is nice to have. You're just gonna take all the excess glue that we have on the screen, just take it off just like this. So there we have it. We have just replaced the screen on a Series 7 41mm GPS version. Let's just see if that works. Yep, looks like everything works how it should be. Touch works. So there we have it. Usually I grab a clamp, or you could use a rubber band, whatever best works for you. And then we're just gonna put it on just so there's some constant pressure on the unit so the Joe's glue can dry and cure properly. So yeah, if you guys don't feel comfortable in doing this repair yourself, you could always send it to us. And all the products that you see in this video that are being used for this repair will be down below, and the link will be down below, so you can go straight to our website and buy the product from us. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great rest of your day.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.